Hello, this is 46 Pine Forest Circle in Bunnell, Florida. Our latest listing here is a corner lot situated in Pine Forest, MHC. It's a 55 and older community with a clubhouse and pool. This corner lot home is listed at $165,000. It has an updated exterior, newly painted, carport. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's take a look inside. We have a really nicely updated kitchen with new cabinetry, new flooring, quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, and newly updated interior finishes, trim, flooring, cornice boards above every window. Yours for $165,000 in this land lease community. Land lease community means that you own your home and lease the land. The amenities, as I stated earlier, include a pool and clubhouse, and it is only $378 per month for the land lease fee. The benefit is you do not pay real estate taxes. There are no pet fees. There are some pet restrictions, and it is only for 55 and older residents. This has a screen porch with this fantastic little side door to access for storage and workshop and laundry. And there's an exterior entrance for this area as well. Make it convenient for landscaping. For $30 per month, you can have the yard cut. The land lease fee includes Spectrum cable. There is an application process when you're ready to purchase. The home has vaulted ceilings throughout. Here in Florida, that's a big plus because your heat rises and you want that heat to allow for you to cool your home. The first bedroom, the second bedroom is furnished with a full-size bed, and it has a French door closet. And in the hallway, we have a linen and an updated bathroom with tiled shower. The master suite is a large room, vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan, nice corner window placement, so you have lots of wall space for a king-size bed with an ensuite bathroom. The bathroom also has newly updated vanity and a tiled shower. Large master closet and beautiful exterior, well-maintained yard. And if you're interested in this property, you can reach me at 386-204-4978 or email me at Tammy, Tammy, funk, FONK, @gmail.com. We are with Crescent Lake Waterfront Community. We are a licensed dealer in the state of Florida. Thank you. Have a great day.